聯盟問題咁多年，
究竟幾時至搞掂？
究竟幾時至搞掂？支持取消第一收容港。
我哋冇司機要話自己揸車嚟嘅呀。Please support us, okay?
報先界。
協議全民浪潮。全民問題。強烈要求。特區政府正式宣布，取消第一收容港地位。
我講兩位葉國謙同埋齊家達，我哋先請一齊阿議員講兩講。
I think now the Vietnamese problem is one of illegal immigration. And of course, only by abolishing the first asylum policy is not going to put an end to that problem. What it will do is to send a clear message to Vietnam and to the rest of the world that we are no longer a port of first asylum. And hopefully that will deter some of the people who want to leave Vietnam for Hong Kong not to do so.
Members of the Council, we will start the meeting with an address.
I think we all understand one thing, and that is for Vietnamese migrants who are coming to Hong Kong now, they are no longer refugees. They can only be regarded as economic migrants. They have not come to Hong Kong through legal channels, and they can only be regarded as unwelcomed illegal immigrants. It seems that the only remaining obstacle comes from our government. Now we still have over 1,000 refugees stranded in Hong Kong. So there's a government should have clear policies to eradicate this problem. Options may be to persuade other countries to accept them, though this is really a very remote possibility. Or say we may persuade them to return to Vietnam voluntarily. This is by no means an easy task. And then there is a possibility which Hong Kong people may not want to see, but they may have to consider this option because they have no other alternatives, and that is to allow them to stay in Hong Kong. So we really have to come to a decision to eradicate the refugee problem.